Pure Wash. This is our highly concentrated and uber lubricated shampoo. It has one job, and that is to clean the car. It is perfectly safe to use on satin, matte, PPF, gloss, wraps, paint, you name it, you can wash it with Pure Wash. Working on between a 1:7 and a 1:800 dilution ratio, one capful in the bucket, or around 50 to 60 ml in a snow foam lance if you want to cool down the panel during the wash process. Packed full of EDTA, this has got loads and loads of water spot inhibitors, so it's going to give you plenty of work time during the summer. Take the stress out of cleaning the car. Any questions? Let us know in the comment section down below.